Hi everybody, today we will do a different band-aid, not a band-aid, a headband. Oof, I'm tired. I choose the Red Heart Super Saver Ferrule, and we will start by casting the machine like we do usually. Put at the black one, put your counter to 0, put your yarn in, and you go in front and the back for the first row. So we did our first row. And, oh, no, one missing. First row, we put that in the feeder, yarn feeder, and we will just turn like this. The 2 or 3, 4 row, the first or the second row, sometimes the machine will do clack clack clack, but it's gonna be better after, like you see right now. So we will continue like this till we get 38 row. 38 row. So now we will get the time to get stitched one after the other one like this. Put it there, push it down, and turn the machine to knit it together. There. And we do that all the way. I choose a color that is not easy to follow. I know, sorry for that, but you have to do that all the way, and I will show you what to do next. Oops, we reached the end of it. Everything's attached now, so I will do 2 more rows to secure it. So now we done all the circle. I removed the yarn from the feeder, and I need a number 3 crochet that I will allow me to go and get the yarn. It's not comfortable to do it like in camera. It's not very easy to make sure that everybody sees something. So we will grab each stitches like this. Till we get to the middle of it. Oh, I didn't get the yarn in it. La. And we will continue like this. It's a little bit tough, this part, but it will work. Like this. So we continue like this. Get stitch after stitch like this. Be careful not losing your stitch. So work very close of your machine. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Right on where I want to be. So now we'll get this stitch to go on this one. There. Voila. So now we will go like this to do some flat panel. Be careful when you arrive at the end. Sometimes that thing happen for the first row. So I will get that in there again like this. Oh, one didn't follow. So you have to be very careful for the first row. I got the other one here. Okay. And you have to pass through this one and come back. And come back. That was for the first row. You do like this till you get 50 on your counter. So we reach 50 row. So we open it and we start doing some decreasing. Remove it from there, put it here. Voila. And you do the same thing till you get 8 stitches wide. You come here and you come back for the decreasing. You put the yarn under the red like this and back in your yarn feeder. And you do that till you get 8 stitches wide. So we will continue like this to decrease our stitches. Take it, put that on the neighbor, put the yarn under the red like this. I know it's not easy, but it's the way to keep your work. And don't worry if the counter you don't see the number, because you don't need it right now, because all you need for now is to get your 8 stitches wide, so you don't have to worry about the counter. Under this, open it, another, that's the last one I remove to put on the neighbor, because I have my 8 stitch wide now. So you got your 8 stitch wide, so now you have to go just left and right like this. No reducing anything. Just go flat panel and you go like this for 30 row. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, till you get 30. So I reached the 30 and I cut my yarn. I will go prepare my needle, and I will pass through this part to make sure that the project is removing itself from the machine. So now I will get all the stitch one after time like this. So it's off the machine right now. I will just go like this and do a double knot. Now we will stretch our work, and in the same time we check if we didn't lose any stitches. The drop stitch, sometimes we just see them when it's off the machine. Look okay. Pull it for the pom-pom. I use the Clover pom-pom maker. I use 4 different yarn that I have, like the leftover yarn, scrap yarn, name it like you want. And you go like this. Yeah, you go like this till you get the amount of yarn that you need on your machine, on your pom-pom maker. So we did the other side already. Like this. Almost finished. Yeah, close it. Yeah, it's tight, it's okay. I cut it. Voila. And now you need a very sharp scissors for those. So we cut one side and we will cut the other side with the sharp scissors. You go like this, click, there. Take a piece of yarn, fold it like this, it gives you a better grip. So after that you go around it, do a knot, and you squeeze. Everything's done. All I have to do now is to attach my pom-pom to my hat, my headband hat. Strap on. I would take the yarn like this and do a knot like this, double knot. It's attached there, and then I take my yarn needle and I will go get the stitch like this, a little bit higher like this, to attach it more secure and more tight on the pom-pom. Like this, double knot there. That's more secure. And after that, all I have left to do is to pass through the yarn in the middle of the pom-pom. Voila. with my yarn needle. After that, I will have to cut the excess, and that's it. Almost done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have some more video to come just before Christmas, and then I have one too for Halloween for Wednesday. Yeah. And I will cut the excess like this, and ta-da! You got your headband hat with the pom-pom. So I will do some picture and see you on my next video. Have a great day or great night or great afternoon anywhere you are. Bye bye, and thank you for watching my channel. See you.